to his tech and gaming.
Hello guys, welcome into this unboxing video, but first, cue the cinematics. Right, it's not really a review, this is just an unboxing. It is the 2nd of December 2020, so I am 2 days late in opening. I bought it back in September when it was released. I just haven't been bothered to do a video on it, but there is other videos on YouTube to watch. So what I'll do is I'll unbox it, I'll see what's inside, and I'll open the 2 days that I'm missing. And I'm not sure if I might put the cardboard thing together. So anyway, I'll show you around the box first. Right, so what's in the box? That's got to be the coolest thing ever. Can't wait to get that one out. You know, usual pieces that make up the 24 days. I won't go through everything, but you know what's what. And then you've got that at the end of it. That's made of cardboard. I probably won't put it up. Depends. I've heard it takes a bit of time because it's quite fiddly. So I may, add that another time to the video. But yeah, so, it is what it is. Playmobil advent calendar, Back to the Future. The good thing about these advent calendars is it's not like your Yankee candles where they just burn into oblivion, or your wine where you drink yourself into oblivion. You can actually keep this and use it. So yeah. So on with the show. I think I shall use my trusty Rambo 2 knife to open it. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. It's a little mini review on that knife. Anyway, this ain't about Rambo. This is about MJ Fox, Back to the Future. So here we go, one side, and get the thing in. It's only 2 tabs either side. And I think that is it. It should open. Oh, does it? Ah, no, it's the top one as well. There we go. Yeah, I can feel it now, just. Righty ho. So first of all, this is the start of the show. All your pieces are inside there. We have instructions on how to put the clock tower together. Not actually any instructions on how to get back to 1985. We have what have we got here? Got some sort of plasticky things. Anyway, something that's in a nice plastic packet. And then we've got the clock tower, which, yeah, depends. I may put it together. See how we go with that one. And then just various other little parts and the lightning pole stuff. So yeah, that is my quick little unboxing of the Back to the Future advent calendar. I nearly said Nightmare Before fucking Christmas then, I don't know why. One! What have we got on here? Let's have a look without looking, see if I can feel. Could be Marty. I can feel that side part. Oh yeah, it's Marty / Huey Lewis. And if you don't know, Huey Lewis was actually in the movie He was one of the judges when Marty and his band were playing. So yeah, that's number one. Number one, I originally thought that was Huey Lewis, but no, it's Marty McFly. Two. Oh, this one's got a little bag on it. Could it be cannabis? No. It's a guitar. So, yeah, 1st of December, 2nd of December. Where's the 3rd? The 3rd, obviously, is going to be open tomorrow. So, I'm not going to bore you with all the day by day opening. So, yeah. I hope you've liked that short little video. Thanks for watching as always. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh well, after many minutes and what have you of trying to do it, I've give up. I am going to finish it eventually, just can't be bothered at the moment. But yeah, you get the general idea. These two things, these are Funkos, these are nothing to do with Playmobil. But, you know, the clock tower, it's going to look good when it's done, but here's one I prepared earlier. Nah, I'm joking. Oh, and by the way, save the clock tower, will you? Right, so this is the next day. I decided I was going to try and put that clock tower up. So I'll just, I won't actually show you because it might fall down. So let me take my hat off. Right. That's what we got from the 1st and the 2nd. And it is an absolute bally to put together. So it's a little bit of a wonky clock tower. And there's the Hornby Centre Express there. And there's Marty McFly. And there's his hat. And while we're here, we may as well open 3. So in the style of Bullseye, 3. Oh, we have, oh, well, I know what we've got. We've got Marty's amp. Yeah, there's the stickers for it there. And the controls. Cool. Another one to put up. And probably add to this. Yeah. Merry Christmas. And just before I go, I forgot to show you this. How cool is it? Class of 84. Wow. Probably my favourite piece of the calendar, to be honest with you. I think it looked really nice in a little small frame, that. Yeah, just saying, like.